So what up, YouTube? So as you saw in my previous video, my Buick's in the shop, and basically the mechanic just called, basically saying that there's a bolt missing from my stage 2 packet. I looked online before I left right now, and I don't see any bolt that ZZP provides, so maybe he's doing it wrong. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm going to the shop to look at it, and hopefully it'll be done. So I know last video I said that the car had some leakage from coolant, but actually the manifold gasket was bad. It was leaking. It was a whole thing. So they had to remove the supercharger and everything. So I told him, might as well, since he's removing the supercharger, to take the pulley and install the pulley. Obviously I wanted to make a video for you guys, but it is what it is. And I told him to install these spark plugs, because that's basically the only thing left from the stage 2 ZZP package. So that's where we're heading right now. We're gonna go look at it, see basically what's up with the car. I hope we can figure it out and I don't have to go buy a bolt or something, because unfortunately I wasn't careful as I should have been with the packet itself. So maybe I could have misplaced the bolt itself, but I don't think so. But like I said, I guess we'll find out when we get there. See you soon. So I guess we're about to pull up to the mechanic shop to see how the Buick is doing. I haven't had the car in about 2 days or so. Today will be like the 3rd day, I believe, or 3rd day. The mechanic shop is already closed, but he wants us to come anyways so we can look at the vehicle. So this is where I got it. So I'm gonna park right there in front. Let me just bust a U, and basically we'll go there. So this is Chicano Park. Like Imperial Avenue, thing is called in here. It's very ghetto, very ghetto. Very nice people though, very nice people that live here. So let's see here. Let's pull forward right here.
Pues tiene que ser uno más largo.
Tiene que ser más largo. Ahora el problema no es eso, sino que tiene un filtro ahí.
Creo que no va ahí ese.
¿Mandó?
Creo que ese no va ahí.
No, ¿dónde van?
Porque ese es el que estaba aquí, ¿verdad?
Sí.
Ajá.
Porque miré en el internet, estaba mirando y no trae un tornillo. Creo que era nomás el que trae adentro. Como es como al revés. No sé cómo lo quitó. A ver, déjame ver.
Interesante.
Let me see if I find it.
Este está.
So these are the ones that leak. They leak right here in the corner. They start leaking
Right
on
there?
the corner, so that's why he put new gaskets.
Right, yeah, so it was
No,
leaking.
sedimento.
It was leaking back here.
Yeah.
And then this coupler, I guess you can call it.
Yeah.
That's the one that was leaking too. We got the aluminum one. Yeah.
Yeah.
And as you see, it's not that dirty because we use good gasoline, clean gas. It's not that bad.
That's what's up.
So basically, he's gonna put the new gasket here for the supercharger, and then that's the smaller pulley, no, the smaller belt right there, and then we got a new thermostat as well. So, and I'm still learning with the GoPro. I think it's too wide. So here's the smaller pulley. Here's the supercharger. Looks pretty clean. The injectors, which we'll be changing in the future. I don't know how the audio is gonna be until I get my external mic, but that's the 3.6 pulley. I couldn't get a smaller one because we don't have high octane gas here. I'm in California, so we can't do it. But if you ever need to get your transmission redone or anything, these are the guys. So as you saw, basically the car is apart. Put some pictures here. He's gonna send me some pictures when he took off the whole engine thing, the gasket. He had to remove it because it was just leaking everywhere. So overall, it wasn't too bad. Obviously, I didn't bring the car for that. I was just bringing the car to change that little coupler, and it resulted in something else, which I'm okay with, just because at least the car's not gonna have an issue in the future. I got a new thermostat put in, spark plugs. The smaller pulley is in now, so definitely it saved the purpose, served the purpose, not saved the purpose, served the purpose. I'm sorry, I'm Mexican. So now with all that, I should be okay. I'm just happy it was done like that, so that way I don't have to worry about like overheating problems or anything like that. So I got the smaller pulley, got the thermostat installed, the spark plugs. Basically, it's gonna be ready. So the stage 2 packet is gonna be complete, and we'll go from there. Basically, the next step, I think I want to do like an exhaust 3-inch all the way down, and we got some things planned for the Buick, but of course I'm not a rich YouTuber, so we have to take it little by little. But hey, let me know how you guys like this video. This video is being recorded with the GoPro Hero 7 Black. So I just got this, so I'm trying to do this, trying to use this camera for vlogging. I do have a Sony a6600, but I don't want to be carrying a big old camera and stuff, especially if the quality with this is pretty good. So I'm just gonna be using this for vlogging. I have the setup coming for the mic and stuff like that to make it better for you guys, more appealing and things like that. Trying to throw some cinematics and different things, just trying to up the game from vlogging, regular vlogging, right? So, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. The next video is gonna be on Monday. I guess the car's gonna be ready, so then I'll be able to give you guys like a full review on the stage 2 packet, basically how everything works out, basically how it performs and things like that. Just keep in mind I'm in California, so I couldn't go so low in the smaller pulley just because we don't have as much octane. I could go E85, but that's in the future. I'm new to this, so I definitely don't know about E85, so I have to get educated before I do it, things like that. But without making this video too long, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.